When the office typist was questioned by Officer Alston on the job, she responded with the following.
Where do you work?
I'm the typist here at the school.
What are your favorite things about being at Shenango Bridge?
I love seeing all of the students wave at me as they pass the office.
What do you do in your free time?
Playing tennis is a big hobby of mine. I have practice once a week. I also enjoy spending time with my family, and I love to read. I always have some sort of reading material with me wherever I go.
Very interesting. What do you like to eat and drink?
I definitely enjoy having a big cup of coffee in the mornings. Garlic bread has to be one of the things I eat most often. It's so good, of course. People usually comment on my breath, not so good.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your favorite things?
My favorite color is blue. I choose blue everything. I like to work out in the gym in the afternoons. I keep a gym bag with an extra change of clothes and a pair of tennis shoes so that I can stop there on the way home.
And what were you doing at 5:30 yesterday evening?
After a long day of typing, I was sitting in the office finishing up my book I was reading. I couldn't wait to figure out what happened at the end. Plus, it was due at the library yesterday.